Yes, mayong adlaw sa tanang mga viewers and of course sabi na rin ng mga citizens. So, of course, as announced by the good governor yesterday, the provincial team is seeking for re-election all the 10 board members, 5 for each district. Kami, dalawa ka congressman, si Governor si Vice Co. And siguro, kita ninyo sa atong uniform karon, one word would best describe what will be our campaign slogan for this elections, and that is padayon. Nasayo naman siguro mo tanan, you have been with us since years back. Nakita namin yung how we work, how we work, especially I mean from the start when I was mayor and for 3 years and then for 3 years as congressman, we always let our accomplishments, our programs, our projects speak for themselves. Ang atong saan, ang atong mag-ipagsaan is only at 2019. After that, it was fulfillment of the promises, fulfillment sa ato ang mga assurances to the public. And now, ang ato lang masulti is ipadayon nato tanang mga programa, tanang mga proyekto. When we talk about programs, of course, our flagship programs, hospitalization, assistance for persons in crisis, of course, major projects, mga infrastructure projects na ito, mga kadalanan sa ato ang probinsya, labi na sa segundo distrito, na anunsyo naman ni Governor. In the last 2 years, we were able to seek or bring in 7 billion worth of infrastructure projects in the second stage sa Occidental alone. Now, that does not include what we have for 2025, which is part pa sa ang unang termino. So, for 2025, ako lang ba-sure is we are getting at least 3.3 billion worth of infrastructure projects. When I say at least 3.3, because we are working on to get more funding. Labi na sa akong suporta sa ito ang two great leaders in the Philippines. Of course, our President Bongbong Marcos and ang Speaker of the House, si Speaker Martin Romualdez. So, in the next few days, we plan to continue to amplify, to showcase, especially the projects, the infrastructure projects that we have implemented, we have funded through the General Appropriations Act of 2023 and 2024 sa publiko, para makita nila kung unsay natrabaho anang 7 billion worth of projects, mga kadalanan, mga multipurpose buildings, mga barangay health stations. For the barangay health stations, as I promised during our katong ribbon cutting, atong niaging Pasko. So our plan is to complete the more than 260 barangays of the district, and karon we have already funded based on the 2024 more than 50 barangay health stations. So next year there will be another 30, so that would be 80. So hopefully before mahuman ang ikaduhang termino ng Kaloy sa Diyos, mahuman yung ang barangay health stations sa district.
Dahuman kung mas matagamtang pa sa katawan sa segundo distrito ang lubos-lubos o pinudanay ka sa Lucy. Pwede sa sige.
Well, I am hoping nga I'm sure na tagamtaman na sa katawan, kay dili man siguro ninyo ma-document tanan nga mga niadto sa atong kusina, mga yugtabang, labi na sa ato ang free hospitalization program. Every day pila ka pamilya ang mag-seek og assistance sa atong kusina, and 95% of those who seek, kundi magaling 98%, we enjoy the zero balance billing, or the a sense of free hospitalization program. And I think in the Philippines, kita ang isa sa kumbaga naka-implement ang district-wide, and not just in the public or government hospitals, but also in the private hospitals as well. And I think one of the challenges or one of the kumbaga kaning some sort of paghambog niya na, no? Kaya sometimes there are limitations when it comes to kanang assistance. Ba na ingon nga pag mag-private room, no, or pag ingon ani naka-avail na before, dili maka-avail, di ba? Like for example, when you go to the SLB, kung mga interview, tamang you cannot go back for the next 6 months na siguro, no? Pero in our program, no, there's no limitation. Kung hospital ka last week, hospital ka this week, it doesn't mean ka makatabang. No? If you're in a private room and kinahanglan ka mag-private room, it doesn't mean nga dili ma-zero yung fees. No? And I'm saying that because we are able to implement that. No, sa pagpaningkamot ni Governor Henry and of course ato mga mayors within the city or Indy, no, so we're able to pool our resources, pool our efforts. Now we are really able to to deliver our promise of free hospitalization sa tanang mga nanginahanglan ng businesses. Yes, as always, I'm very happy with the unity sa ato ang team, sa Team Ascenso. Sa mensahe ni Governor yesterday sa iyang SOPA, it's really different when there is unity with the congressmen, with the governors. That is why kung makita ninyo, no, kami ni Congressman, wala namin naghatag state district address because that state district address is actually an executive function, and because we have a very hardworking governor partner na to, so he was the one already delivering the message to the people, including what Congressman and I have brought in from the national government. No, so when there is unity, there is oneness, all the resources of the local and the national government pulled together, they will be complementary. Dili na mag-ilog ang servisyo. No, di na mag-ilog nga kani kay condition lahi kang gov, lahi sa mga mayor, and in effect kani buo ang madawat ng serbisyo sa katawhan. No, and I just take sa ato ang health services program. No, when we come to the barangay, before we go to the hospital, you have seen that the governor, the provincial government, of course, under the leadership of Governor Henry, naghatag sila sa rescue vehicles, followed by our atong gisugdan sa Ozamis, no, how we distributed the rescue vehicles to all the barangays. So while they are funding the rescue vehicle, we are funding the barangay health stations and the provision of medicines. Hopefully by December, we can start again to distribute free medicines to our barangay health stations, not only to the municipal or city health offices, but down to the barangay health stations already. We are working it out already. Labi na katong mga natutda na. No? So that is katong, if you remember what I shared before, the katong comprehensive healthcare program sa ato ang distrito, sa ato probinsya, no, nga go to the VHS, matagang tambal, kung di magkaya, dadun sa rescue vehicle pagdating sa hospital, pagabot sa hospital, then Team Ascenso comes to settle it. Kung di magkaya sa itong mga local hospitals, then we bring it to the specialty hospitals in Manila. I think I have already announced it already in our previous post that we have partnered with the different specialty hospitals in Manila, Heart Center, PD Center, Lung Center, Children's Center, PGH, no, and we can guarantee a full hospitalization services, including plane tickets, mga pagkaon sa pasyente, sa watcher dito sa Manila. No? And siguro you have interviewed some of the beneficiaries already. No? We make it a point that maubanan din sila dito sa ato ang staff sa opisina. No? Again, nakikita accommodation na regular, it's all taken care of by our banks. So that is part of our comprehensive healthcare program. So muna gitin sa barangay, padulong kung ahaman gali maabdan. No? And that is our commitment, no? Na gusto na to nga masalbar na sa katawhan and dili mahimong hindrance or kakulangon sa pondo para makapagpatambal og tarong naging ang laborang magsakit.
Kung nakamention ka po kag 3.3 billion bullshit play madugangan pa. Unsa nga sektor pinakadako ka sa
yes, of course sa ato ang 3.3 billion minimum na makuha for next year 2025. majority ana would go to our roads and bridges, no, kay sama sa giingon ni kong ni Gov Henry katong panahon niya siya kay congressman, nadala na ang mga barangay, pero karon ang mga barangay gusto na po madala na ang mga puro. No? So I think I'll give you the list of all the projects, no, that the national government has funded through sa atong pagpaningkamot para makita niyo magtirutuloy niyo ang Dugo District, of course, ang Dugo Province, makita niyo mga kadalanan, no? And just like last time when I was last week niya doon sa Lake Duminagat. Yeah, naabot ko sa Lake Duminagat, kapit-pit minute doon, no? So when I went there, akong kapitan sa Barangay Gandawan, sa Barangay Lake, no, tagpo ko nila, kinakalitan silang kwan, and then I asked them, kumusta yung mga katawan natin diri? Barangay Lake has more than 200 residents, are they happy with the road? O ang gisulti nila, kung katong mga nagsamok diri, among giingan nga, kamo kung pasanon sa inyong mga gulay nga doon sa kwan, o sako-sako nga dadon na mo, kamo ka lipay na kami karon nga makarga na sa motor, di na kani nga maglakaw, no? And that is the sole that is one of the main purposes of our infrastructure projects, ang mga kadalanan, to connect to people who are living in the upland barangays, to give them easier access, no, for their livelihood, for their healthcare, sa tanan, no? And of course, dumagdapudana is it will also boost their our local tourism. In fact, when I was there, I committed to the Barangay Lake, Barangay Captain and Barangay Gandawan Barangay Captain, no, na sige, you organize your women's organization, I'll give you 250,000 pesos each per barangay sa ilang women's organization for their livelihood program. You use it as capital, no? They were talking about maghimo sila ng mga souvenir items, ang katong isa, for food, kung kailangan mo sa mga turista. No? Because, din na, if you want to promote tourism, you want the tourists to spend in your asa imuhang kwan, not just to appreciate your what you offer, but also syempre to spend, because that will boost the economy, that will pump the economy, no? So hopefully balik na dito po, at least you can see really the beauty of Lake Duminagat, no? 580 meters na lang ang kulang abot bigit sa lake, pero nagusto na Binimir Dodong dili na nato ko simintuhon, no, kay para ang mga sakyanan di gid mulusot dito kay magumahimo na pong parking area ba, no? And we will see, basta ikanalan na lang to 580 meters, it's okay, it's just a short walk, no? So bisag mo exercise na kaya man nato padulong ug pabalik. So let's visit Lake Duminagat soon, so that you can see really that hidden gem of Misamis Occidental. Of course, hindi ko nadagang salamat, no, sa tanan na business, dagang salamat sa inyong dayon na pagsuporta, and ang among hinaot, no, ang among miss na padayon ang inyong pagsuporta, pag-igugma sa Team Asenso, kay kami padayon na maningkamot, no, nga mahatag ang lubos-lubos na serbisyo, pinuntanan yung serbisyo sa katawhan, no? So mag-uban ta sa padayon Asenso Misamis Occidental.
Salamat kayo. Kapatid mo si Misamis Occidental, si